So today I'm going to show you how to get your tax paperwork information off of the Webull desktop account. So we're going to be here on the main desktop, and what we're going to do is click on our person icon here at the top right hand of the screen. We've kind of clicked on everything. You're going to see right over here. You're just going to click on it. If you do, it kind of brings down a drop menu. We're going to click on My Account. And then from right over here, it brings out a couple different options, and we're going to see one that says e-documents. We're going to go ahead and click on this option here. Sometimes it might ask for your trading code. You might have to put that in first. And then here, you're going to see the most recent tax year. Of course, it tells you what tax year it is, and then if it's available, and then that you can go ahead and download it, which in doing so is a PDF that you can either email out to your tax accountant or fill out yourself on your tax software, keeping in mind that the following tax year usually shows up around mid-February to the end of February on your account, but making sure that you wait until you have that to be able to go through all your tax information and paperwork. Now, I want you to keep on learning and growing with using Webull, so check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.